Hello and welcome. Today we're looking at a company called Pascal who make affordable watches and jewellery. They've sent me these two watches here to try out and to review. One of the big things about Pascal is that they use lab-grown diamonds. And they're very open about this on their website, and they say, opting for lab-grown diamonds presents a compelling alternative to mined diamonds, offering all the desirable attributes without the adverse consequences of mining. So it's nice to see some of these companies trying to focus on caring about where the products come from and caring about how they're made, and using quality products without destroying the environment. They also say that these lab-grown diamonds cost 40% less than traditional diamonds, which is why they're able to keep their costs lower than other luxury brands. So Pascal is really positioning themselves in the luxury market, but without necessarily having the luxury price tag. This is their Octagonal diamond watch, and I've got to say I love the square edges on this. It's a 27 by 29 millimeter watch face, and they have this in a few different colors, but I was really drawn to this black one. I love the black and the gold, and it's just very minimal. It's got 3 diamonds in the face, and I love how it looks. This watch comes in black, silver, and gold. It has a stainless steel case and is both scratch-proof and water-resistant and weighs just 75 grams. So when I put this on, I love the fit. It doesn't look too big, and it slides nicely under long sleeve shirts, which I always find to be a problem in the winter, is finding watches that fit comfortably under long sleeves, and this does that for sure. I also love just the simplicity of it. It has these raised edges on the side here, which I really like. And so overall, really impressed. This is a watch where I haven't really seen too many other watches that look like it, so it felt quite unique in its appearance. And I love wearing it because it really fits me nicely and it's light, but without feeling cheap. The other watch they sent me is pretty much in the same vein. This one is more of a classic looking watch. So it's got the silver finish to it. And you can see on this one more clearly than the other one, it's got the lab grown diamonds all around the inside of it, which just really give it a great look, give it that kind of like luxurious feel and luxurious look. I love the elegance of it, but also, as with the other watch, I really appreciate the size. This is a 36 millimeter dial, and for someone like me, it fits perfectly on my wrists and doesn't look too big, but also isn't too small. It's got quite a nice thickness to it, so it feels, you know, it's got a weight and a heaviness, and it feels nice without being too big. This watch comes with a few different color options for both the strap, the case, and also the face. And it features a Swiss Ronda 763 quartz movement. There's also 2 different dial sizes, a 31 millimeter and this one, which is the 36 millimeter dial. For the price, I think these are really good value. They're both around the $300 mark. And that to me, for a watch of this quality, is a really good deal. Again, they're not pretending to be really high-end watches. They're not pretending to be on a par with you know, a Swiss-made watch or anything like that. They're very open about where they're sourcing their diamonds from, that it's lab-grown diamonds, that these products, you know, are made and assembled in China. They're very open about all of that, open about the movement, but they're doing it well. So overall, again, I'm really impressed with these watches. I'm impressed with Pascal as a brand. I'm going to give the black Octagonal watch a 9.5 out of 10 because I absolutely love how it fits, and it's the type of watch where it brings me joy when I look down at it on my wrist. The design and the simplicity and the class of it, it just gives me joy to look at. And with the classic watch, I'm going to give this one an 8.5 out of 10. I also love how this watch looks, and I think that, you know, you can't go wrong with either one of these. But if I was to choose one, then I'm going to choose this black one because it brings me so much joy just to wear it. I've enjoyed wearing both of these. They go really well with a lot of outfits. They're quite easy to recommend. Again, this one looks more like a traditional watch. And again, for people who have smaller wrists, these watches are going to fit really nicely and are going to look really good. At the time of this video, the Octagonal watch sells for $275 US, and the classic watch sells for $235 US. And you can buy both of these watches directly through Pascal's website at pascaldesign.com. If you use the link in my description, you'll get 15% off using the discount code OHello15. And as always, if you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe and leave me a comment. And I will catch you in the next one.